The national championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz this October. Catch all the contests on Joy News, Joy Prime and Joy FM and follow the action across our social media platform. Who will be crowned champion? Let the quiz begin.
Best wishes to all three schools.
The 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goyle PLC and supported by
Today's contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter.
The stage is set, the atmosphere electric. These are the minds ready to engage in the ultimate battle where every second counts and every answer could make or break their dream.
You can contest with us, but you can never compete us.
Beat everyone. This one all out, no stress.
And for some, it's all about that one word. While others, their hearts beat in sync with every point earned.
In the name of Jesus.
And for some, the pain of defeat lingers long after the final riddle.
The
National Championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz this October. Catch all the contests on Joy News, Joy Prime and Joy FM and follow the action across our social media platform. Who will be crowned champion? Let the quiz begin.
Best wishes to all three schools.
The 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goyle PLC and supported by
Hello everyone, you're welcome to the preliminary stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Kpando Senior High School, Sims Senior High School, and Hope College. Let's welcome them. We'll meet our contestants now. From Kpando Senior High School, we have
Tete Kojo Gavin
and
Ampofo Amos.
Kpando Senior High School was knocked out by Odogono Senior High School at the preliminary stage last year. However, they performed wonderfully in their regional qualifiers with an impressive score of 75 points. Now, Kpando, tell us about your journey this year so far in the competition.
Our journey this year so far in the competition was great because we had a lot of trials with other schools and we just expect our mates back in school to expect the best from us.
Thank you. Sims Senior High School is represented by
Esther Sapuma Bekwe
and
Otreme Saruland.
Sims exited the 1/8 stage last year in the national championship after being defeated by Pope John Minor Seminary and Senior High School. They have returned this year, ready to push beyond the preliminary stage. So Sims, tell us about your journey in this year's competition.
Okay, so though the journey this year has been a bit rough, but we thank God for bringing us this far.
Okay, thank you. Then we have Hope College being represented by
Maxwell Yosebwamo
and
Daniel Sengwechi.
Hope College is a private school that competed for the first time in last year's national championship. But unfortunately, their journey ended at the preliminary stage. This year, they are back, hoping to go beyond the preliminary stage. Hope College, how has your journey been?
The journey hasn't been quite easy, stress and all that, but we make sure that this year we'll go past the preliminary stage and what's to come.
Thank you. So I hope your chest is well addressed. You are so very relaxed for today's contest. So you're all welcome. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by JoyNews, Pepsodent, DuPay, DuPay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance, Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Girl Mac Foundation. My name is Dr. Mrs. Gladys Odeshwinga. I'm your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Oh, you won't welcome me. So contestants, you're welcome. In this competition, we have 5 rounds. Each has its rules. At the beginning of each round, I'll tell you the rules that govern that round. You're about starting the first round, where you would answer questions from physics, biology, chemistry, and physics. Biology, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. In fact, in all rounds, you are going to answer questions from these 4 areas. And you have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations, and 10 seconds for those that do not involve calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Should I ask you to repeat your answer? You repeat, you don't change. In the first round, each school will get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you don't get it right, another school may pick it up by ringing their bell to answer correctly for 1 bonus point. But when they get it wrong, they'll lose a point. So be sure of your answer before you ring the bell for a bonus. Please don't ring the bell when a school is answering. It will disrupt their line of thought. So I wish you all the best. If you ring the bell when a school is answering, I won't call you. Thank you. So we start the first round. Round 1. I'll be starting with Kpando Senior High School. There's a preamble to all schools. Distinguish between collateral and bicollateral vascular bundles with respect to the following. Distinguish between collateral and bicollateral vascular bundles with respect to the following. Kpando, number of strips of phloem.
The bicollateral vascular bundle has less number of phloem strips, whilst the bicollateral vascular bundle, the collateral vascular bundle has less number of strips of phloem, whilst the bicollateral vascular bundle has more number of strips of phloem.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Sims, number of cambia. Go ahead.
Okay, the collateral vascular bundle has only one cambium, whilst the bicollateral have two cambium.
That's correct. Hope College, being open or closed?
The collateral vascular bundles are open and bicollateral vascular bundles are closed.
I'll give you two. You said the bicollateral is closed, It's closed. And the collateral is open.
Today's contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter.
The stage is set, the atmosphere electric. These are the minds ready to engage in the ultimate battle where every second counts and every answer could make or break their dream.
You can contest with us, but you can never compete us.
Beat everyone. This one all out, no stress.
And for some, it's all about that one word. While others, their hearts beat in sync with every point earned. And for some, the pain of defeat lingers long after the final riddle.
The
national championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz this October. Catch all the contests on Joy News, Joy Prime and Joy FM and follow the action across our social media platform. Who will be crowned champion? Let the quiz begin.
Best wishes to all three schools.
The 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goyle PLC and supported by
Today's contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter.
The stage is set, the atmosphere electric. These are the minds ready to engage in the ultimate battle where every second counts and every answer could make or break their dream.
You can contest with us, but you can never compete us.
Beat everyone. This one all out, no stress.
And for some, it's all about that one word. While others, their hearts beat in sync with every point earned. And for some, the pain of defeat lingers long after the final riddle. The national championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz this October. Catch all the contests on Joy News, Joy Prime and Joy FM and follow the action across our social media platform. Who will be crowned champion? Let the quiz begin.
Best wishes to all three schools.
The 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goyle PLC and supported by
Today's contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter.
The stage is set, the atmosphere electric. These are the minds ready to engage in the ultimate battle where every second counts and every answer could make or break their dream.
You can contest with us, but you can never compete us.
Beat everyone. This one all out, no stress.
And for some, it's all about that one word. While others, their hearts beat in sync with every point earned. And for some, the pain of defeat lingers long after the final riddle. The national championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz this October.
So Hope College gave me that collateral is opened and bicollateral is closed. I'm sorry I cannot give you. And there's the reason. For the collateral vascular bundles, they are not open, they are not closed. They are either open or closed. So they are not always open. And for the bicollateral, they are always closed. They are always open, sorry. Bicollateral is always open. So that's why you're not getting. So we continue. Preamble. Two inductors of inductances L1 and L2 are connected in parallel. Find the equivalent inductance of the parallel inductors for the given values of L1 and L2. Two inductors of inductances L1 and L2 are connected in parallel. Find the equivalent inductance of the parallel inductors for the given values of L1 and L2. Bundle. L1 is 27 millihenry and L2 is 23 millihenry.
$50 millihenry.
Incorrect. Sims, yours is L1 is 28 millihenry and L2 is 32 millihenry. Go ahead, Esther.
We have 14.4 millihenry.
Incorrect. Bando for a bonus.
15 millihenry.
That is correct. Hope College. L1 is 16 millihenry and L2 is 72 millihenry. Go ahead, Maxwell.
13 millihenry.
Come again.
13 millihenry.
That's correct. A preamble again. Give the chemical formula of the products formed in the given metathesis reactions. Assume all reactions occur. Give the chemical formula of the products formed in the given metathesis reaction. Assume all reactions occur. Bando. The reaction of strontium chloride with zinc carbonate. Go ahead.
Capital S, small r, capital C, capital O, subscript 3. And
Capital O.
That's subscript 3.
Yes, speak into the mic, please.
Yes, and the second one is capital Z, small n, capital C, small l. That's subscript 2.
Correct. Since the reaction of copper 1 sulfide with barium sulfate. Go ahead.
Okay, we have capital C, small u, capital S, capital O, subscript 4, and capital B, small a, capital S.
You get 2 out of 3. Hope College. The reaction of potassium phosphate with magnesium nitrate.
Okay, KNO3, that's the first one, and Mg subscript 3, PO4 in a bracket subscript 2.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Factorize completely the cubic expression. Factorize completely the cubic expression. Kpando, x cubed plus 2x squared minus x squared minus 2. Go ahead.
3 brackets multiplying. In the first bracket, x plus 2. In the second bracket, x plus 1. And in the third bracket, x minus 1.
Correct. Sims. X cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 12. Go ahead, Esther.
Okay, we have 3 brackets multiplying. In the first bracket, x minus 2, multiplying another bracket, x minus 4, multiplying another bracket, x plus 1.
Incorrect. Kpando.
3 brackets multiplying. In the first bracket, x minus 3. In the second bracket, x plus 2. In the third bracket, x minus 2.
Correct. Hope College. X cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x minus 27.
We have 2 brackets multiplying. In the first bracket, x minus 3. And in the second bracket, x plus 3, that's all squared.
I give to you. Preamble to all schools. Give the name of the blood vessel in humans that performs the given function. Give the name of the blood vessel in humans that performs the given function. Kpando. It carries deoxygenated blood away from the heart towards the lungs. Yes, Gavin.
The pulmonary artery.
Correct. Sims. It supplies the kidneys with oxygenated blood. Go ahead.
The renal artery.
Renal artery, that's correct. Hope College. It carries oxygenated blood out of the heart and to the rest of the body.
The aorta.
Correct. Kpando, find the speed of a 16-kilogram object at which its kinetic energy is 18 joules. Yes, Gavin.
I've already taken 1.5 meters per second.
Correct. Sims, find the speed. Find the speed of an object when its kinetic energy is 96 joules. If its speed is 4.3 meters per second, when its kinetic energy is 24 joules. Yes, Esther.
8.2 meters per second.
Incorrect. Hope College. So Sims, your answer should have been 8.6 meters per second. Hope College. Find the speed of a 3.0 kilogram object at which its kinetic energy is 54 joules.
.0 meters per second.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Give the systematic or IPAC name of the product formed when. Give the systematic or IPAC name of the product formed when, Kpando, butanoic acid reacts with methanol. Gavin.
Methyl butanoate.
Correct. Sims. Propanoic acid reacts with ethanol. Go ahead, Esther.
Ethyl propanoate.
Correct. Hope College. Pentanoic acid reacts with 1-propanol. Maxwell?
Propyl pentanoate.
Correct. Last set for this round. Preamble to all schools. Find the least value and the greatest value of the quadratic expression. Find the least value and the greatest value of the quadratic expression. Kpando, x squared plus 6x plus 12 in the interval -4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Gavin?
The least value is 4, and the greatest value is 28.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Sims. X squared minus 4x plus 8 in the interval -4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Yes, Roland.
The least value is 8 and the greatest value is 40.
2 out of 3. Hope College. X squared plus 8x plus 10 in the interval -6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2.
The least value is 2 and the greatest value is 30.
2 out of 3. And your least value should have been 3, Sims 4, Hope College -6. And that's the end of the first round.
Today's contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter. Filipino Fighter.
The stage is set, the atmosphere electric. These are the minds ready to engage in the ultimate battle where every second counts and every answer could make or break their dream.
You can contest with us, but you can never compete us.
Beat everyone. This one all out, no stress.
And for some, it's all about that one word. While others, their hearts beat in sync with every point earned.
In the name of Jesus.
And for some, the pain of defeat lingers long after the final riddle.
The
The national championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz this October. Catch all the contests on Joy News, Joy Prime and Joy FM and follow the action across our social media platform. Who will be crowned champion? Let the quiz begin.
Best wishes to all 3 schools.
The 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goyle PLC and supported by
At the end of round 1, Sims Senior High School had 13 points. Hope College had 20 points. And Kpando Senior High School had 21 points. We have 4 more rounds to go. So this is the second round. In this round, we have the Prudential Life Speed Race. And here questions will be thrown to all schools. And the first to answer correctly earns 3 points. When you are wrong, the other 2 schools will get the opportunity to answer the question correctly for 2 points, then 1 point later. Anytime you get it wrong or incorrect, you lose a point. So the second school answers correctly for 2 points, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Please, when you ring the bell and you are called on, you answer immediately. You don't beat about the bush, because when you do that, the 3-second rule will catch up with you and you lose the opportunity to answer. That would also mean that you are losing a point, because the answer will be considered wrongly given. So be aware of that and be careful of that. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. So let's start the speed race. I wish you all the best. Speed race. When you're ready, ring your bell. How many molecules of carbon dioxide are produced from 1 molecule of glucose in cellular respiration? Kpando.
6 molecules.
That's correct. What name is given to the thin skeletal rods that support the expanded part of the fin of most bony fishes? They are the fin rays. What is the main constituent of the cell membrane bilayer? Hope College.
Phospholipids.
Correct. Upon heating to 350 Kelvin, the temperature of a gas quadruples, while its volume increases by a factor of 6. Given that the initial pressure is 120 kilopascal, determine the final pressure of the gas. Is 80 kilopascal. Calculate the percentage by mass of sulfur in tetraphosphorus dicasulfide. Please, they have to answer. Let them answer. Is 72%. Okay, so we continue. Determine the sum of the oxidation states of carbon in chloromethane and ethine. Kpando.
-8.
Incorrect. Sims.
+3.
Incorrect. Did Hope College ring? Hope College.
+5.
Incorrect. It is -3. Calculate the absolute refractive index of a medium for light waves of speed 2.5. Yes, Sims.
1.2.
Correct. If the gravitational potential energy of an object is 16 joules, when it is 8.0 meters above ground, what is its gravitational potential energy when it is 16 meters? Yes, Kpando.
32 joules.
Correct. Calculate the mass of 15 cubic centimeters of a substance of density 8.0 grams per cubic centimeter. Yes, Hope College.
120 grams.
Correct. Solve for x from the equation log base 3 of the expression 2x minus 3 equals 3. Kpando.
X is equal to 6.
Incorrect. Sims.
X is equal to 15.
Correct. Solve the equation. The expression 2 cos x plus root 3 equals 0 in the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Kpando. Speak into the mic.
5 pi on 6.
Who?
We
Sims.
have 5 pi on 6 radians.
No, has Hope College rang? Your mic is off. Have you not rang your bell? Yes, Hope.
5 pi on 6 radians and pi on 3 radians.
No. Okay. For speed race, no, I'm not giving to anyone. The answer is you're solve the equation in the interval. So x is equal to 5 pi over 6. Given that the roots of the equation x squared minus 3x plus 5 equals 0 are alpha and beta, evaluate the square of alpha minus beta. Sims.
4.
Incorrect. It's -11. That's the end of the speed race. Let me announce. Senior High School had 15 points. Then Kpando Senior High School and Hope College each had 24 points. Contestants, so far so good. This is the third round. In this round, you are going to get a complex question from one of the areas: math, physics, biology, chemistry. And it's a common problem that you all have to solve. You have 4 minutes to solve on the screens, after which I'll assess your answers and then award points. You can earn a maximum of 10 points for this round, and I wish you all the best. So let us turn over our sheets and read our problem of the day together. Problem of the day. The first 3 terms of an exponential series are the expression x plus 5, the expression x plus 3, and the expression x plus 7 over 3. A. Find the values of x. B. For each value of x, find the first 3 terms. C. For each value of x, find the common ratio r of the series. D. Find the sum of the series to infinity if it exists. This is our problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. Stop writing. I'm not taking the last thing you wrote, Sims. I'll disregard that. So you may take your seats. Please, go back to the first page of your work so that Sims, go back to the first page of your work. No, you have to leave your solutions on the board. Go to your first page. Okay. So our problem of the day for today was from mathematics, and it read, the first three terms of an exponential series are x plus 5, x plus 3, and x plus 7 over 3. They were to find, for A, the values of x, B, for each value of x, they were to find the first three terms. For each value of x, they were to find the common ratio of the series for C, and for D, they were to find the sum of the series to infinity if it exists. The farthest anyone got was to B. Hope College was able to solve A. So there's a solution. So there are three terms. So the square of the second term is equal to the product of the first and third terms, which will eventually give you x equals -4 or 1. You get 3 points for this, which I think each one of them got. So all schools got that. Then from there, for the B, for x equals -4, the first three terms are 1, -1, and 1. And then for x equals 1, the first three terms are 6, 4, 8 over 3. I think Sims was able to solve for the first three terms of x equals 1, so they got a point for that. Kpando was able to solve for x equals 4 and for x equals 1, so they got 2 points for that. And that was where they ended. Sims ended with 4 points, Kpando 3 points. But for learning, let's continue. So for C, you were to, for each value of x, you were to find the common ratio R of the series. So for x equals -4, R equals -1 over 1, which gives you -1. You get a point for that. Then for x equals 1, R is equal to 4 over 6, which is equal to 2 over 3. Another 1 point for that. Then for the D, for R equals 2 over 3, the series has a sum to infinity, which is equal to 18. So if you're able to determine that it has a sum to infinity, you get 1 point. And then, getting the value of the sum to infinity, you get 2 points. That would make a total of 10 points. So Hope College got 3, Sims got 4, Kpando got 5. That's the end of the problem of the day, the third round. You may now go back to your school emblems. Thank you. So we move to the fourth round. This is the due pay true or false round. At stake in this round is the due pay money transfer $20 promo. During this season of NSMQ, whenever any of the alumni of your school abroad sends money to Ghana using the school's exclusive promo code, JuPay will reward the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school for this particular contest. Kpando Senior High School promo code is PANSEC, all in uppercase. PANSEC, KPANSEC. Sims Senior High School, your code is SIMSCHOOL, uppercase, SIMMSCO, and Hope College is Hope College. There's no space between the Hope College, all in uppercase. So, alumni in the diaspora, when your schools are competing, you should watch. Then you can make transfer that would earn your school some money. The True or False round is proudly sponsored by JuPay Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via JuPay. So this is round 4. Each school will get a statement. You tell me whether the statement is true or false. When you're right, 2 points for you. When you're wrong, you lose a point. When you don't answer, another school can ring the bell after the bell goes out on you, and they would answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. I wish you all the best. I'll start again with Kpando Senior High School. Round 4. Cyclopropane is the simplest cyclic hydrocarbon. Kpando? It's correct, but we are not hearing you.
True.
That is correct. Sims. Cyclopropane is a highly stable compound. Esther?
False.
Correct. Hope College. Cyclopropane exhibits high angular strain.
True.
Correct. Kpando. The pulmonary circulatory system circulates deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs via the pulmonary artery and returns it to the heart via the pulmonary vein.
True.
Correct. Sims. The arteries divide into thin vessels called arterioles, which in turn divide into smaller capillaries that form a network between the cells of the body. Go ahead, Esther.
True.
Correct. Hope College. The flow of blood along arteries, arterioles, and capillaries is not constant, but can be controlled depending upon the body's requirements.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. A and B are vectors. If their scalar product A dot B equals 0, then A and B are vectors. If their scalar product A dot B equals 0, then Kpando, A equals 0 or B equals 0.
False.
Correct. Sims. The angle between A and B is 0. Esther?
False.
Correct. Hope College. The angle between A and B is pi over 2 radians.
True.
Correct. Kpando. The heat capacity of an ideal gas depends on how the gas is heated.
False.
Incorrect. Sims. If an ideal gas is heated at constant volume, all the heat supplied increases the internal energy of the gas. Esther?
True.
Correct. Hope College. If an ideal gas is heated at constant pressure, all the heat supplied increases the internal energy of the gas. Kpando?
True.
Incorrect. Kpando, according to Dalton's atomic theory, compounds are formed when atoms of an element combine in fixed simple whole number ratios.
True.
Incorrect. Sims. According to Dalton's atomic theory, isotopes are different forms of the same element with different masses. Esther?
False.
Correct. Hope College. According to Dalton's atomic theory, neutral atoms of the same element have the same number of electrons as protons.
False.
Correct. Kpando. In the first quadrant, cos theta and sin theta are both positive.
True.
Correct. Sense. In the third quadrant, tan theta and sin theta are negative. Esther?
False.
Correct. Hope College. In the second quadrant, tan theta and cos theta are both negative.
True.
Correct. Kpando, a particle at rest is in mechanical equilibrium.
True.
Correct. Sims, a moving particle is not in mechanical equilibrium. Esther?
False.
Correct. Hope College. A particle moving with constant acceleration is in mechanical equilibrium.
True.
Incorrect. Last set for this round. Preamble to all schools. The given plant type has stomata that open at night but close during daytime. In the given plant type has stomata that open at night but close during daytime. Kpando, hydrophytes. Yes, Gavin.
False.
Correct. Sims. Mesophytes. Esther.
False.
Correct. Hope College. Epiphytes. Sims.
False.
Correct. That's the end of the fourth round. At the end of the fourth round, Hope College had 33 points. Sims Senior High School had 37 points. And Kpando Senior High School had 38 points. Contestants, all the hard work is done here. We are in the fifth and final round. In this round, we have what we call the Gold Riddle Bonanza. Because for this round, we have 4 riddles to solve. Each will come to all of you at the same time, and you may take turns in solving. If you get it wrong or incorrect, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. If there is any after that, you join us. When you are ready with your solution, you press your bell, because I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. So as soon as you've figured out what I'm talking about, you ring the bell. The Gold Riddle Bonanza is going to reward a school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, if you solve 3 riddles correctly, you earn 800 Ghana cedis. If you're able to solve 4 riddles correctly, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis. These amounts will go to the teams. The Gold Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by GOIL. GOIL, good energy. So I wish you the best as we progress into the 5th round. Let's make sure our bells are working. Kpando, Sims. Hope College, good. So we are starting our 5th round. I wish you all the best. Riddle, riddle. I'm an inorganic salt, insoluble in water. However, in acids, I dissolve readily with effervescence. I'm a common ingredient in toothpastes. I'm an essential component of shells and skeletons of marine organisms. Hope College.
Calcium triacylcarbonate 4.
I give to you. £3 for that. I am a transformation in the Cartesian plane. I may be a reflection or a rotation. I'm definitely not a translation. I map the origin into the origin, and lines on lines, hence I'm termed linear. Yes, Sims.
Linear transformation.
Correct. We are a group of enzymes. We speed up the rate of a specific chemical reaction inside the cell. We are unique in that we are non-proteinaceous in nature. We are found in the ribosome, where we join amino acids together to form protein chains. Eyes on me. We play an important role in other vital reactions, such as mRNA splicing, transfer RNA biosynthesis, and viral replication. Who are we? Kpando.
The enzyme is ligase.
No, please, Sims.
Proteases.
No, please. Did Hope ring? Okay, Hope, go ahead.
Kinases.
What?
Kinases.
No, please. We are ribozymes. Ribozymes. Last riddle. I'm a physical quantity. I'm a scalar quantity that can be calculated from either of 2 vector quantities or from both. Yes, Hope College.
Power.
Incorrect. I describe the state of motion of an object. I describe the state of motion of an object. I'm a type of energy. Since.
Kinetic energy.
Correct. That's the end of the contest.
Today's contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter. Contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter. Today's contest is like Kingdom Filipino Fighter.
The stage is set, the atmosphere electric. These are the minds ready to engage in the ultimate battle where every second counts and every answer could make or break their dream.
You can contest with us, but you can never compete us.
Beat everyone. This one all out, no stress.
And for some, it's all about that one word. While others, their hearts beat in sync with every point earned.
In the name of Jesus.
And for some, the pain of defeat lingers long after the final riddle.
The
National Championship of the 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz this October. Catch all the contests on JoyNews, Joy Prime and Joy FM and follow the action across our social media platforms. Who will be crowned champion? Let the quiz begin.
Best wishes to all three schools.
The 2024 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Goyle PLC and supported by
have come to the end of our contest. Unfortunately, no school won the Girl Riddle Bonanza. But we still say thank you to Girl for the offer. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to be with us for the next contest, which promises to be as exciting as this one has been. This one has been a surprise package. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Go PLC and supported by JoyNews, Pepsodent, DuPay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Betamalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, PMMC, Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Girl Mac Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from November 7 to 23, 2024. Do join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. And so, at the end of this contest, these are the scores. Hope College ended the contest with 36 points. Kpando Senior High School ended with 38 points. And Sims Senior High School ended with 43 points. Sims caused an overtaking. So congratulations to you, Sims Senior High School, for winning this contest and qualifying for the 1/8 stage. If your score happens to be the highest for the day, you stand the chance of winning the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Dr. Gladys Naudi Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.